Now class 6, good morning everyone. Today I want to discuss in this class about the pattern of questions you have to face in your first term exam. This time it has been changed because you have to face MCQ, that is one sentence will be given just under this, below this, few A, B, C, D like this answer will be given. So one is correct answer, others are wrong answer. You have to give a tick mark by the side of the correct answer, okay? Marks will be given for that. Now, first of all, my student, do you know the syllabus of your first term exam? Do you know? Okay, I am telling you the syllabus first of all. Then about the question answer, about the pattern of question you have to face. Okay, you wait a little bit, and then for the first time you don't have to face. In my class I have done several chapters on according to the syllabus is already finished, done by me. That is the chapters you have to face regarding the this long question answer. You don't have to face any long question answer this time, okay? Now, syllabus for English, right, all of my student. English 2, roots. The Little Prince visits the king. The Little Prince visits the king, chapter 1. Chapter 2, the 3 questions. Now, chapter 3, the Great Smog of 1952. So again, let me repeat it again. The Little Prince visits the king. Number 2, the 3 questions. Number 3, the Great Smog of 1952. Now, next, new radiant readers. Chapter 1, 4 Friends 1. Chapter 2, 4 Friends 2. 3, A Piper. 4, My Life as a Pearl Driver. 5, My Life as a Pearl Driver 2. This is the syllabus, okay? Now, radiant readers, again I am repeating. 4 Friends 1, 4 Friends 2, A Piper, then My Life as a Pearl Driver, then My Life as a Pearl Driver 2. Now, from roots I am giving you I am giving what type of exactly. This you don't have to face, or you may face this question, I am not sure. But this is the pattern of question you will face. Now, from roots, The Little Prince, name of the chapter, The Little Prince. The Little Prince visits the king, chapter 1. Now, one sentence will be given in the beginning. The story of a king who lives in a small asteroid. The little prince found himself in the neighborhood of asteroid. This sentence you will get in the beginning. What? The story of a king who lives in a small asteroid. The little prince found himself in the neighborhood of asteroid. 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330. Number 1 is given like this. Number 2, 15879. Number 3, 12, 15, 13. Number 4, 10, 18, 20. Okay, is it clear to you, my students? So let me repeat it again. Roots number 1 chapter, The Little Prince visits the king. Then the sentence, the story of a king who lives in a small asteroid, full stop. The little prince found himself in the neighborhood of asteroids. This will be given. Then A or 1. It is better to tell you A. 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330. Then B, 15879. C, 12, 15, 13. D, 10, 18, 20. Now, then Number 2, the third time the narrator was given a pair of, this is the pearl driver. The pearl driver. My life as a pearl driver. The third time the narrator was given a pair of, number 1, goggles, number 2, shoes, number 3, helmet, number 4, overcoat. Give a tick mark, right mark by the side of goggles. By the side of goggles. Now, next, pearl fishing is now, this is pearl driver 2. Pearl fishing is now number 1, and here the third time the narrator was given a pair of goggles. By the side of goggles you write a tick mark. Next, that is pearl diver 2. Pearl fishing is now 1, a rapidly growing industry. Give a tick mark. B, a slow moving industry, not correct. C, a black area, not correct. D, a smoky zone, not correct. Now, word meaning. Terrible. Terrible meaning dreadful, laughing, sunny areas, wetlands. You have to write dreadful. Meaning, word is given. If you get the word meaning, write that. First of all, the word will be given, then A, B, C, D. The word meaning. Dreadful, laughing, sunny areas, wetlands. You give a tick mark by the side of dreadful. Okay, dreadful is correct answer. Now, then pearl driver 1. The narrator was trying to collect, this sentence is given, the narrator was trying to collect, number 1, oyster shells for shining pearls, oyster shells for shining pearls, 2, shark, 3, octopus, 4, sea animals. You have to give a tick mark by the side of oyster shells for shining pearls. The meaning of terrible, dreadful, laughing, sunny areas, wetlands. Now terrible is dreadful, okay. So, class 6, again I am repeating the whole thing. Class 6, you know that your first term exam is coming very soon, is just knocking at the door, and first time your syllabus has, your pattern of question has changed. No big question answer in your class. I have done several chapters based on question answer, long question answer. This time MCQ, this example of the questions I am giving today, which will be helpful for you for your exam. Now, first of all, I want to tell you the syllabus. Roots, book Roots, chapter 1, The Little Prince Visits the King. Chapter 2, The Three Questions. 3, The Great Smog of 1952. Now then the new Radiant Readers. Chapter 1, Four Friends 1, 2, Four Friends 2, 3, A Piper, 4, My Life as a Pearl Diver, D-I-V-E-R, 5, My Life as a Pearl Diver 2. This is the syllabus. Now from Roots I am giving you the example from Roots chapter 1, The Little Prince Visits the King. The story of a king who lives in a small asteroid, full stop. The little prince found himself in the neighborhood of asteroids. Now, number 1 is given 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330. Number 2, 158, 1, 5, 8, 7, 9, 3, 12, 15, 13, 4, 10, 18, 20. Now, you have to give a tick mark, right mark by the side of 325, 326, 327, 328, 329 and 330. Page, then the third time, Pearl Diver 2. The third time the narrator was given a pair of goggles, 2 shoes, 3 helmet, 4 overcoat. Now, the third time the narrator was given a pair of this sentence is given, then the answer is given. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to give a tick mark by the side of goggles. Now 3. Pearl fishing is now, then 1, 2, 3, 4 are rapidly growing industry. 2 are slow moving industry. 3 are black area. 4 are smoky zone. Give a tick mark by the side of a rapidly growing industry. Now, then Pearl Diver 1, the narrator was trying to collect. Number 1, the narrator was trying to collect. This sentence is given. 1 oyster shells for shining pearls. 2 shark. 3 octopus. 4 sea animals. Give a tick mark by the side of oyster shells. Now, meaning of the word terrible. 1 dreadful. 2 laughing. 3 sunny areas. 4 wetlands. You have to find out the correct answer, and by the side of the correct answer give a tick mark, double tick mark. This is the answer, okay, type of the answer, okay. Thank you very much. Wish you a very, very happy and good exam. Now see you in my next class, okay.